Hello everyone, my name is Patricia Flowers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're brand new, go ahead and subscribe and also like and share my videos. Now, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and explain my 7 confirmation as explained in my last video. I'm going to go ahead and confirm with you guys the 7 confirmation on the chart so that you guys can see a clear vision as to how I use my 7 confirmations. Okay, so what I do is I trade I look at 4 different time frames, and I trade the 1 hour time frame as per the other 3 time frames giving me what I need to look at. Okay, so and I will also get into the reason I decided to take this sell instead of the buy right away. Okay, so let's go ahead and first show you guys all of the different time frames. Okay, starting with the 4 hour, well, we're at the 1 hour. We had our push up for a buy right here. We had our push up for the buy from Monday all the way to Friday. This buy was continued. And now it's Friday. We had our signal to get in for a reversal. Now this is not a real reversal for a sell. Now it possibly could be the reversal for a sell to continue down, but we all know that this is also getting ready to go up into a buy. It also could be getting ready to go up into a buy. But as we are waiting for our confirmation for the buy, we can trade the opposite direction as per to our higher time frame, giving us a reason to trade back to the starting point, which is down here. So we trading back to here so that it creates another leg of the W or a triple bottom, whatever it has here. Down here, it will create those for you. So let me go ahead and show you the 4 hour time frame. So I took the sell based off of my 1 hour confirmation. If you look down here, my purple line is crossing above the 60. I have a red dot followed by a pink dotted entry, and I got my signal crossover right here saying to sell. And the Agamet confirms underneath here, underneath my horizontal line, it confirms my entry for the sell. Okay, so now let's move on to the 4 hours so we can see, guys, the bigger picture. Now we see that the 4 hour was into a buy. So the ultimate trend is a buy. We got our moving average crossover, which is a great trade, which will be a great trade, guys. And I'm only selling because I got so many signals. Even looking here with our dots here, we got a red, blue, then we got another red dot saying to sell. But I confirmed this already on the 1 hour, so the 4 hour did not have to confirm yet to me. But if I look down here, we see that the purple is getting ready to cross up to our 60, and our green is heading back towards our 30. So that is what we're looking for. Then the daily, we are at our daily. We know that the daily is going up into a buy because we already extinguished that from the 1 hour. We saw that because of that big push. And we also saw the pullback on the 4 hour, which was saying to sell. So this is saying to sell on the 4 hour, but not the daily. The daily doesn't seem to have that signal yet because the purple has yet to cross up. But that's okay because there's only one candle that happens each day on the day chart. There's one candle a day on the 1 hour chart, which means that this will have time to drop, enough time to drop in order to get ready to go back up. So you are able to take this little drop right here. It looks small as heck when you're looking at the day chart. And then take the buy to complete it all the way up. And when it cross over here, your entry is golden. So you look at the signal. You're looking at your moving average crossovers. And you're looking to trade that. Now we're going to look at the weekly. The weekly signal is strong, guys, for this buy. If you look right here, there's your buy signal. Big push up, followed by this little push down, okay? So this is basically looking like level 1, then level 2, like it's making level 2. But you would have thought, hey, level 1, level 2. But then you don't want these levels to drop lower. So this would probably be level 2. But since it dropped, yeah, so level 1, and then all the way up, level 2, and then I'm supposing level 3. So this will get ready to go up, but we have a sell drop off going here still. So we will get that push down to the downside. As you can see, it still has a push down to the downside before it goes up. And it still is a strong sell signal here on the weekly. But my entry, ultimately, guys, for the pullback was confirmed here. I got a confirmation here. It's not a hoax. It's not going to go against me. Even if it did pull back, that's fine. It's going to still drop. In order to get rid of this sell arrow here, it has to come down, so we get another buy. So we get another buy arrow in order to take it back up. So it already went up a lot based on the lower time frames. The daily, okay, whatever. But based on the lower time frames, it moved a heck of a lot. So that means that it's going to come down, okay? So that is how I go over my confirmation, how I look at the trend. Now that we distinguish how we look at the trend, let's go ahead and let me go ahead and re-explain the signals. So I'm looking at the 1 hour. In order to know that it's going to be a buy, you would get a blue dot first, a blue dot. Then you would get a signal. And if that signal in the agamat is looking upward, crossing upward, this does not have to be crossed above the purple in order to take that trade. Your confirmation is right here, right down here at the 60, right here at this 60. And your confirmation is at the 30 where the purple crossed below and hit the 30 line. As long as it does that at the same time, in which it will, you're golden. You can take this trade all the way up and you could be in that trade riding it until your moving averages looks like it wants to cross, or until you get another signal saying to sell. And right here, you got no signal at all telling you to sell. You got no reason to get out of your trade. Even if it did this here, right here in the middle, that was really nothing there because the trend just took off. How can it go right back down and keep going? The trend was just taking off. So this is just, a little pullback to continue up. Then you see that again, that's your golden nugget to go ahead and re-enter when you got that signal. You got that signal, re-enter. But you don't have to re-enter. You take one trade at a time until you get the picture of how to do that. So once your signals cross all at the same time, and then now that we're looking at the agamat signal with this signal is all the way above here. So then you are actually confirmed that this is a buy. You're good to go until the next candle like this here pull back. You can wait for the pullback or you can stay in your buy, but I would normally take my profit, take all of that profit. If I stayed in it for a whole entire week and I see that it's coming on a reversal or I see my moving averages are about to cross like right here, this is a exit strategy. So you would have caught from here to about here 249 pips. How awesome is that to sit in a trade for a whole entire week to catch 249 pips? And depending on your lot size, you are going to make great income. So that could be a couple hundreds, that could be a couple thousands, that could be a six-figure income just on one trade. That could be a six-figure income for a lot of people. And even when your account grows, you still want to take long-term trades, because I ultimately love long-term trading because I don't have to really babysit my chart, but I do look at pairs all the time because you never know when you'll see a ready pair. There's always a pair that's going to be ready. And most likely there's going to be lots of trades this coming week. There's going to be so many trades, and I would take those trades just because of the fact that they will help you grow your account. You want to monitor your trades. You want to make sure they're going in the right direction. But you can usually hold those trades for a whole week, uh, from three for 3 days all the way up to a whole week, or even longer, depending on if you don't mind sitting in this type of pullback right here. If you don't mind sitting in this, then let me see. If you don't mind sitting in this pullback right here, then sit in it. Although your profit's going to come down, you can sit in it. You can take this trade. You can take the reversal right here. So, but make sure your lot size is bigger to cover whatever it don't cover. So, like if it was to completely go down, make sure your lot size is bigger than what you took, because your account balance is going to be enough to cover that, because you will have a lot of money in your account to be able to put a bigger lot size towards this. And that's what I'm just saying. The power of compounding your account, guys. We all could be millionaires before 30. If you're already 30, you can be a millionaire before 40. And my goal is to become a millionaire before 30. And I know that I can help a lot of people achieve that goal. And that is basically my mission, is to help a lot of people. And if you set a goal for yourself, it's never impossible. I don't want anybody to think that a goal that you set for yourself is impossible. It is not impossible. Me helping other people is a good thing. I don't mind helping people because I actually love to do that, and I don't feel any bad thing to do that, so I actually love to do that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I helped you all understand how I use my indicators. I'll put up more videos like this and start showing you guys my trades and how I took my trades and what trades I got into. I'll actually make videos on that, on every trade that I take, and how well, my trades, went when the day, overall throughout the day. So then by the night comes, you all will be able to see my proof and also the income that I have in my account. So I also show my income as well, because it is a live account, and I'm going to show you how I will be compounding this account extremely fast, okay? And I mean, because I understand how to trade Forex. That's the only reason I can tell you guys I'm going to be compounding my account extremely fast, because I understand. Now, after years and years and years of failing, I now understand how to trade. And this is the only way that you can learn something, is if you keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. You keep your strategy, whatever strategy you have or whatever strategy you are using, keep consistent at it. Because the more consistent you are at it, you will do good. And I also failed before using the system because I wasn't using it correctly. And now after I kept studying it, looking at it, I said, you know what? I used to be so greedy and get in on just the dots, or whenever I see a different, something different, I used to get in on the wrong thing. So I think it's beneficial that you wait for all the confirmations. It's going to be beneficial for all of us. And I am going to guide you guys through this journey. We all can grow together. We all will be millionaires before 30. And I will show you how I compound my account. No lie, all true. Let's get it. And don't forget, if you're brand new, please hit the subscribe button. Also, share my video and like it. Until then, I'll see you all next time.